Hello, we have A Brothers, and today we're going to be unboxing a used Dell PC we got on eBay. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Okay, so inside we just see it wrapped in bubble wrap. Hope it didn't get damaged sometime during shipping. Doesn't look like it did. It's expensive. We'll just take it out of the bubble wrap.
This is very well packaged for being something from eBay. Now this computer is, so let's tell you some of the specs. So this thing is running a Core i3, which is a little outdated, but still pretty decent. 4 gigs of RAM and no graphics card, and it did not come with a hard drive or OS, which is partially why it was so cheap. It cost $28 from eBay. Now we do have
plus $16 shipping.
We do have a hard drive right here, 500 gig hard drive with Windows 7 pre-installed on it. That we'll be running this on. So we can find a way on how to open this. Now this is a Dell Optiplex. Whoopsies. Okay. Do you pull that? Okay.
Alright, so now we got it out. We'll just open it up to see if it's what it said was in the listing. So we'll just verify the 4 gigs of RAM. It looks like there's only one DIMM in here, so it's right here. It says it's 4 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, so just gonna
that is what we paid for.
Stick that.
So
back in
well,
there.
we are planning to refurbish this into like a modern gaming PC. So we are planning on adding another 4 gigs of RAM. So to get 8 gigs, we might upgrade it to like 16 gigs. We are planning to get to replace this hard drive with a 1 terabyte hard drive that just hasn't come in the mail yet. And we are also planning to put a GPU in this thing, and that GPU we haven't really decided on. We're leaning towards like a Radeon 5 Vega 56 from AMD, or 1070 Ti, or 1060 Ti, or 760, which is a wide spectrum, but those are the more budget graphics cards that you can get, or just something a little lower end, because this is a budget gaming PC. We will have a video out sometime within the future doing that. So yeah, that's about it for this. So we got what we paid for. So if you like the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching.